Welcome to Jove. Let's take a look at how you can upload a SCORM file to Canvas. Open the Jove website. Navigate to the Education section. Select Jove Quiz from the drop-down menu. Click on My Quizzes from the left-hand menu. Choose the assignment you want to download. Click on Download as SCORM. Open your Canvas course. Select SCORM from the Course Navigation menu. Click on the Upload button. Select the SCORM file you just downloaded. Once uploaded, click on the drop-down menu next to the file. Choose whether you want the assignment to be graded or ungraded, or import as page. Click on Go. After the file has been loaded, click on Open this package's assignment. If you'd like to edit the assignment, click on Edit Assignment Settings. From here, you can update the assignment title, add instructions, change the point value if it's a graded assignment, set the number of attempts and specify the start and end date. Click either Save or Save and Publish. That's it! Thank you for watching.